Hey everyone, how you doing? Fixing the washing machine. You never think you would get a leak, but we got a leak. This hose here, it got a hole in it. You can see right there it's ripped. That started leaking water on the floor. So I ordered a new one. Down here is where we changed the hose. We got the brand new hose there. It has no hole. There we go. Right there, see that? That's brand new. We put that on. And then also up top, there's a bungee clip. This broke. And we put a new one up right there. Here's the new one. That keeps our drum from rattling and making noise. It was pretty easy fix. It wasn't too bad. You just got to have some mechanical knowledge. But other than that, that's what we fixed. I'm going to put the lid back on. We're going to test it out and see how it does. There we go.